pH calculations. First of all, let us try to understand what pH is. pH is nothing but negative logarithmic concentration of H plus. Okay, so pH is equal to negative log of H plus. And this can also be written as, that is, log of 1 by H plus also. Okay, so this log 1 by x, you know very well, 1 by x power n can be written as n x power n minus n. Is it no? X power minus n. 1 by x power n can be written as x power minus n. Right? So similarly, 1 by H plus concentration can be written as H plus concentration power minus 1. Got it? Okay, right. So you can write this as logarithm of H plus concentration. When I put square bracket, that represents concentration in molarity. So concentration power, you can put minus 1 because this is 1. When it goes up, it becomes H plus power minus 1. Right? Therefore, pH and according to power rule in the logarithm, this power minus can be brought to the coefficient of the term. Therefore, pH is negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. So this is very important aspect. Then similarly, we can do POH also. What is POH? This is nothing but negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. So when I put H plus concentration, that indicates acid. OH minus ion means that indicates base. For example, HCl, when it is ionized, it becomes H plus and Cl minus. Right? H plus and Cl minus. Okay? Yes. So when we write the pH of an acid, for example, pH of HCl means what you're supposed to do, you write HCl and you have to ionize in presence of water because this should be ionized in as solution. Okay. So HCl plus water is H plus Cl minus plus H plus OH minus. In fact, this H plus is due to HCl and this H plus is due to OH minus. I mean water, H2. And the concentration of this H plus in water is 10 power minus 7 mol per liter, that is molarity. Similarly, for hydroxyl ion, 10 power minus 7. So 10 power minus 7 mol per liter, 10 power 7 minus 7 mol per liter OH concentration, right? So, in fact, when you call this H2O and when it is subjected to ionization, it becomes H plus and OH minus ion. It means 10 power minus 7 mole per liter of H plus and 10 power minus 7 mole per liter of OH means are present in this ionization. And these two can combine together to form what water molecules. Okay, and that is why the product of these two can be called the ionic product of water. Okay, ionic product of water. So what do you mean by ionic product of water? It can be called K3 also, that is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration. This is called ionic product of water. So This h plus we know it is 10 power minus 7 into what about this? This is 10 power minus 7. They are equally present. So that is why Kw value is equal to what? 10 power minus 40. Okay, that is the only product of what. So when you introduce logarithm on both sides, let us introduce logarithm on both sides. Kw is here and 10 power minus 14 is there. So introducing log on both sides means a log Kw is equal to log 10 power minus 14. Got it? So in that case, this log minus log Kw can be called pKw. That is equal to, and what about this one? Minus or minus plus. You can bring this minus 14 to the coefficient. That is according to the power rule of log. Power. So you can bring this power to coefficient. So minus 14 of log 10. Log 10 value is what? That is log. Actually, when I say log 10 means log 10 to the base 10. That is equal to 1. So in that case, minus or minus plus. So 14 into log 10 is equal to 1. So you can leave it as such. So pKw value is 14. And that is why you know already negative logarithm of hydrogen concentration is how much? What is that? pH. Negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration is POH. Now you know it is a combination of these two. Therefore, you can call it that is pH plus POH is equal to 14. Are you able to follow? So when you are asked to find out the pOH, what you can do, find out the pH and find out 14 minus pH. When you are asked, for example, NaOH is given, so for which the molarity is given, so you can find out the pOH value. So you cannot stop with that because you are asked to find out pH. So in that case, what you are supposed to do? pH is equal to 14 minus how much? pOH. So that is the pH. And you should know the pH scale is 0 to 14. At the center, you have got 7, that is the neutral point. And below which you have acid, and above this you have base. So this is strong acid and this is strong base. This is weak acid and this is weak base. So this is called pH scale. Okay. So let us try to work out some problems based on this pH and pOH. Okay. So less than pH 7 means what? Acidic. Greater than pH 7 means what? Basic. Okay. So shall we calculate? Take down. Calculate the pH value of 0.005 mole of an acid. So the molarity of acid is given as how much? That is H plus concentration is given in terms of molarity 0.005 mole. Molarity means that is 0.005 mole per liter. Okay, right now. So what you are supposed to do, you have to find out pH. So pH is nothing but negative logarithm of H plus constant. Okay. So what you are supposed to do, negative logarithm of, and H plus is 0.005. So you can 0.005. Okay. So for 0.005, how you are supposed to take the logarithm? First of all, you have to convert this into scientific notation. So this is nothing but 5.0 into 10 power 3 minus 3. So you can put 3 bar. Otherwise, you can simply call it, you have got two zeros. Two zeros means you can put 3 bar. Likewise, you can put. So 3 bar point, and you have to find out the log of 5.0 or 50. That is 6990, right? Okay, so you can put minus log of 3 bar 6990. But you must remember this 3 bar is not equal to minus 3 in the case of log. So what you are supposed to do, you have to convert this into minus term. That is, x bar should be converted into minus x. Okay. So for which we need product, the technique, add 1. This add 1, right? Add 1 and subtract from 1. Okay. Subtract from 1. So it means you have got the logarithm and decimal and the matrix apart. Split this and you have got here 6990. Split this into two parts and you've got 3 bar here. Okay, so this is the value. So what you're supposed to do, you have to split this into two terms like this. Add 1. So when you add 1, what will happen? It becomes minus 2. 2 bar. So we are already converted into minus. So you can put minus 2 straight away. And what about this? This should be subtracted from 1. Okay, so in that case, you are able to get 3010. Are you able to follow? Yes. Okay, so 301. Now you can combine these two, it becomes 2.3010. So now you can write this as what? That is, pH is equal to minus log of, not minus log of, you already done this, but you have to remove this. Okay, so you've got to log now. You can convert this into minus of minus 2.3010. So minus of minus plus. So 2.3010 is the pH of this acid. So this is the you have to find out. Okay, yes. Got this point? Yes. So can you try similarly find out the pH of 2 into 10 power minus 6 mole concentration of an acid. You can erase it. So you have to calculate the pH of, that is with the H plus concentration. How much? 2 into 10 power minus 6 million. Take the logarithm table. You can make it. You can try and take me guess.